happiest that I've ever been. And I'll say, I no longer feel I have to be James Dean. And she'll say, yeah, well, I feel all pretty happy too. And I'm always pretty happy when I'm just kicking back with you. And it'd be love, love, love all through our bodies. And love, love, love all through our minds. And it'd be love, love, love all over her face. And love, love, love all over mine. And though a million all these moments are just in my